Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello class, how are you? I hope everything is fine. Today's topic is sets. What is the set? Set is collection of objects which have same or equal characteristics. The objects in a set are called elements or members. Set is basically a collection of things, related and well-defined. Of course, you can write everything down, but some of the things you would like to mention are groups of mammals like cows, tigers, monkeys, and giraffe. What if you were asked to make a list of all the things you can see? For example, are mammals included in the set? The answer is yes, because all the elements in the set should be related and well-defined. The second example is cannot see. Is delicious food included in the set? The answer is no. It's not a set because it's relative. I can say it's delicious, but other people don't say it's delicious. So remember, another important characteristic of sets is that the elements in it should be related and well defined. What are the characteristics of the set? First, use capital letters. Second, there are a number of objects or members of the set. Third, set members are enclosed in two curly brackets. Fourth, each member is parted by a comma. Okay, next, how to present a set. In here are four ways to express a set. Number 1, enumeration. For example, A equals A, I, U, E, and O within curly brackets. Number 2, describe the members. For example, A is a set of letters vocals. Number 3, set forming notation. For example, A equals all x such that x is member of letter vocal. And the last one, Venn diagram. Comparing two sets. Subset. There are two sets A and B. If all members of set A are members of set B, then A is called a subset of B. The notation is like that. A is subset of B. For example, given that the set B equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, choose which is a subset of B. Number 1, A equals 1, 3, and 5. Number 2, C equals 5 and 6. Answer, number 1, since all members of set A are in B, then A is subset of B. Number 2, since there is a member of C who is not in B, then C not a subset of B. Similarity set. Two sets A and B are called the same if A is subset of B and B is subset of A. The notation, A is equal to B. Example, suppose A equals 1, 2, and 4 and B equals 4, 1, and 2. Are the sets similar? Answer, notice that all members of A are in B. Then A is subset of B, and all members of B are in A. So B is subset of A. So A is equal to B. Let's look at the operations on the set. Cardinality. The number of elements in A is called the cardinal of set A. Notation, N of A. And for example, number 1, B equals all x such that x is a prime number less than 20, or b equals 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Then n of b equals 8. Number 2, t equals cat, a, Amir, 10, and nail. Then n of t equals 5. Null set. The set with cardinal equals 0 is called the null set. Then notation is like that. For example, number 1, a equals all x such that x is less than x, then n of e equals 0 or null set. Number 2, p equals Indonesian people who have been to the moon, then n of p equals null set. Number 3, a equals all x such that x is the root of the quadratic equation x squared plus 1 equals 0. The answer is n of a equals null set. Union. Two sets A and B are sets where each member of sets A and B is made into a set or a combination of the two sets called union. The notation: the union of A and B equals all x such that x is member of A and x is member of B. For example, given that A equals 1, 3, 5 and B equals 1, 2, 4, and 6, what is the union of A and B? The answer is the union of A and B equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Intersection. Two sets A and B are sets whose members are members of A and members of B. The size of a set is called an intersection. The notation: the intersection of A and B equals all x's that x is member of A and x is member of B. For example, given that two sets A equals 5, 10, and 15, and B equals 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, what is the intersection of sets A and B? The answer: the intersection of A and B equals 10. Difference. If sets A and B, then the difference between sets A and B is a set whose members are members of A but not members of B. The notation: A minus B, all x such that x is members of A and x is not member of B. For example, if A 1, 2, 3 until 10 and B equals 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, then A minus B equals 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, and B minus A equals null set. Complement. The complement of a set is the set of full members in the set universe that are not members of the set. The notation like that: A complement. And we can read A complement equals all x's that x is member of U, x is not member of A. For example, suppose U equals 1, 2, 3 until 9, and number 1, if A equals 1, 3, 7, and 9, then A complement equals 2, 4, 6, and 9. Number 2, if A or X such that X half is members of B, X is less than 9, then A complement equals 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Cartesian product. The notation we can read A times B equals all A and B such that A is member of A and B is member of B. For example, suppose C equals 1, 2, 3 and D equals A and B, then C times D equals 1 in A in bracket, 1 and B in bracket, 2 and A in bracket, 2 and B in bracket, 3 and A in bracket, 3 and B in bracket. Okay class, we will stop here. See you and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.